What's up everybody, how you doing today? We have a special unboxing for you. This is the Motorola Edge Plus. It's a very rare phone. It's a Snapdragon 865. It has also 3x optical zoom. It has 108 megapixel main camera and ultra wide, and it's really one of the great flagships that Motorola just dropped recently in 2020. I just want to show you this phone. It's very rare. Yes, it works here in Saudi Arabia, so that's a good sign. It's a 5G phone. Actually, it's a millimeter 5G phone, so it's not just a normal 5G. It has these radio waves that gives you the extra push. Like for example, most 5G phones you find here in Saudi Arabia hits maybe 400 600 megabytes per second. This guy hit 1 gigabyte per second. So crazy numbers. We're gonna test this and see. I'm gonna use mobile SIM card and see how good the 5G here. But so far I'm gonna give you a fast unboxing, and then we're gonna compare this phone against phones that's almost as similar as this one when it comes to the features. Like for example, the Mate 20X, same camera standards. We have also the Realme X2 Pro, which is my main driver, which I'm going to also compare this with the camera. So it's gonna be camera heavy comparison, because I don't see any YouTubers that actually go deep testing the Motorola Edge Plus, although I love Motorola, man. So let's start opening the box. And yes, it's used. And it's already opened. As you can see, this is the sensors that shows you once you wave your hand, and this is basically on every Motorola phone. When you just wave your hand, the screen will just go up, because there are some sensors that will detect this one. Now this color is really nice, beautiful. Look at this, guys. This is the blue darkish color. It's beautiful. This is on the top is the 108 megapixel, and we have the telephoto and the ultra wide. Really great. As you can see, the screen is curved on the edges, but on the hand it's really great. So once you can touch your fingers like this, you know the phone is very comfortable in your hand, because it's very easy to use it one-handed. And as you can see, these the waves that comes with the background. But I can say to you that this is a really great phone, man. So far I've been testing it very briefly. So let's just put this aside, see what we have here. So what comes in the box is basically a case. They bring you a case here. As you can see, that case, no, cases should be more cleaner than this because it's been used. But anyways, this case is not gonna cover your fully the camera, because when you put it on, I have to tell you everything, the goods and bads, everything you gotta know about it. So it's good, if you want to hold it like this, no problem on the back. But if you actually thinking about protecting the camera, I'm afraid it's not gonna protect the camera, as you can see. So there is some scratches over here because the protection is not optimum. But when you put it on the ground, it's not gonna shake, it's gonna be stable. So that's a good thing when it comes to the case. Now what else we have here? Some ejector tool. Nothing here. Now by the way, it doesn't come with the screen protector, so keep that in mind. We have 18 watts here, and we have a USB Type-C, and we have a headphone jack. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go with another videos. Take care and see you later.